Hi everyone, welcome to TriniKidsTV, or welcome if this is your first time. Welcome to our circle time. We start our circle time by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, do we know what day it is today, friends? Well, if yesterday was Monday, what comes after Monday? If you said Tuesday, you are right. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. All day long, all day long. Yes, it's Tuesday. And we are in the month of June. Yes. So, let's sing the weekly song and say our days of the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, and let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good, friends. Now, it's time to talk about the weather. And before we do that, we need to sing our weather song. So, let's sing the weather song together. Ready, friends? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a look, friends. Yes, it's a cloudy day today. And this kind of cloudy day, I think it means that it might rain today. Yes. All right. Now, let's talk about our color of the day. What's our color of the day today, friends? It's the color red. Red is our color of the day. Can you find something at home that might be red? Did you find something? Well, great job, friends. Now, let's all talk about our shape of the day. What's our shape of the day? Well, our shape of the day is something that we see up in the sky, but only at nighttime. It's not the moon. It's not the sun, definitely. What's our shape of the day? It's a star. Very good, friends. A star is our shape of the day. Now, let's talk about our number of the day. What's our number of the day today? Well, it's the number 4. 4 is our number of the day. What can we do to count to 4? Well, we can clap or snap 4 times. So, let's all count as we clap and snap together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good, friends. Now maybe we should talk about our letter of the day. What's our letter of the day today? Well, it's the letter E. E is our letter of the day. What words can we think of that start with the letter E? Well, there's egg, there's early, there's eagle, E. Now, our letter of the day brings us to our area of the day. Well, before we talk about our area of the day or country of the day, we need to jump in our boats and sail around the world. Let's sail around the world. Our area or country of the day today is Ecuador. Yes, Ecuador is a country. Let's take a look at all the wonderful places you can visit in Ecuador. Great friends, now that we talked about our wonderful area of the day and all these other things, I think it's time for our lesson for today. What's our lesson for today? Well, let's see. We are going to be talking about introducing ourselves. Yes, that's one of the ways that you can make friends. Let me show you. Hi everyone, my name is Auntie Shade. What's your name? You see how easy that was? That's how you introduce yourself. You can also say other things that you like your favorite foods or your favorite colors. For example, Auntie's favorite color is yellow. Yes, so I can say my favorite color is yellow. Yes. And my favorite food will have to be cookies. Yes. So you can say whatever you like, and that's how you make a friend, or that's how you introduce yourself. You can say how old you are. You can say, I am 6 years old. I am 5 years old. I am 3 years old. You can say how old you are and make a friend. Wasn't that super easy? Now we have a quick activity that you might want to do. You can use this by using paper. Now, if you don't have a large piece of paper, you can do it on a small paper and draw yourself. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves. You might start introducing yourself by answering questions like, what's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? How many brothers and sisters do you have? So today we are going to make a craft so that we can answer these questions. What you would need is a large piece of paper. Your mommy and daddy can help you trace yourself, and then we can get started. First thing you need to do is write your name. My name is, for example, Sarah. I am 4 years old or 3 years old. I live in Arima. My birthday is in June, maybe it's in May. I have 2 sisters, or I have 1 brother, or I have no brother or sister. You can answer all these questions by writing it down on your little drawing of yourself. Alright? Now, if you don't have a large piece of paper to draw yourself, you can do that by just doing it. Now that we know how to introduce ourselves, we're ready to go to school. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.